Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first Christmas or festive makeup tutorial on this channel this year. I used to do a lot more makeup videos than I do nowadays. Like, if you want them back, let me know. I just don't think I'm that good at makeup. But I actually am in love with this look. Like, I've been so inspired by people who post makeup looks with like green in, and I thought,
well, green is Christmassy.
And as I said, I've been obsessed with green eyeshadow looks, so perfect way to combine the two. And I'm obsessed with it. Like, I don't normally wear green eyeshadow because I don't really have many green eyeshadows, but I took a few colours from a few different palettes and I made this look, which is like 99% cruelty-free. There was one product I used that wasn't cruelty-free, so let's just like ignore that. But yeah, I hope you will enjoy this video and I hope you like my new setup. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell button so you won't miss a single video, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it and want more makeup videos. With that said, let's hop on into the video.
I still think about the time I spent just trying to grow with you.
I have already done my base, so I've done foundation, primer, and setting powder, and I've also done my eyebrows because I do them in every single makeup video, so I thought you don't really have to see that. But now I've done some faux freckles and now I'm just bronzing my face up. Let's carry on with the video.
Baby, I was satisfied, but you weren't there. You weren't there. And oh baby, I'm trying. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling. You're dressing like a Sunday morning, and your eyes look like little islands in the light, hazel like green and white sheets. You're grinning like a Friday night, yeah, you're smiling like.
So that was this look done. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it out. If you recreate it or get inspired by it, definitely tag me in Instagram or Twitter or wherever you upload the picture. I'd love to see your guys' recreations. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and I'll probably wear something like this for Christmas, to be honest, because I really like it. Like, red makeup looks are so overdone now. Like, I still love red makeup looks, but I think I fell in love with a new colour on my eyes. So yeah. And I am no MUA, so don't roast me in the comments if I did something wrong. But do inform me if there's something I can improve, because like, I'm all for improving, but just don't try not to roast me or bash me, please. If you do, I could use it for reading hate comments, so you know, you gotta find the positive in everything. Oh well, with all of that said, I will hopefully see you in my next video, and leave video requests if you have any. I love you all so much. Shout out to these people, these lovely comments. I love you all so much. Read every single comment, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul.